Asikhale ba.
Asikhale.
Asikhale. Asikhale. Singasaphuli isimaseko.
Ah,
Asikhale ba.
uya.
Yeah. 7 8, we dey move. Every step. But if they touch the ground, I feel her. 730 kilometers. No be small thing, but we dey go from village to village, door to door. Waiting we carry a message.
We are actually doing it's leadership insights, ne?
Yeah.
We are in season 2. Itheme yethu aligns with the subjects esingayo today because it's accountability. Yabo. So I'm 100% convinced and sure bangaba what you are doing ngoku is taking accountability kwi-career yakho or kuma-actions wakho or with anything that's actually happening kwi-life yakho, especially kwi-subject yethu ya today. Yabo. You are a commentator going by the name 3310.
Yeah.
Yeah. I actually wanted to give you the honors bangaba usifuleli show. Yabo. Yeah, usifuleli show and then uswelcome and then I will take it from there.
All right. Okay. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you very much for the invite, and I think it's one of the best things that we people, whenever things do happen, we need to be accountable of what we do on our daily basis.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes we make mistakes whereby we don't know that we've made mistakes, you know, and going back to the drawing board and then you see that the sun, angvayanga grandida. Yeah, so you need to take that accountability and then revert into it. But nevertheless, okay, welcome to the show, Bafetu. This is U3310, aka Bongani, Tendai, Nyerenda. Yeah, 33 ting, number one commentator. Yeah, thank you so much, Bafetu. I think other than that, akukho kunye engingakusho. Sengizamane nje ngilahlele nje ngapho ngakuwe ukuthi ngizwe nje ukuthi kahle what is it, but I think I subject today it's very sensitive and it's a wake up call to everybody else out there.
Yeah.
You know, because it's something that could happen to anyone. You know, entering into these things, we need to be more cautious from what I have experienced.
True.
Yeah.
True. So this goes ngalendlela yokuthi if ever you are into the industry, you are into publicity, be it you are a public figure or you are an artist or you are a player or you are in like for as long you are like whoever under industry, this episode kule podcast is actually designed for you. And if ever you'd like to date mhlambe or ukushada abantu that actually know what you are doing in industry, like know in the like sponsor go industry, like inside out ukuthi operator kanjani and all of that, this is for you. Yabona, you it can be in a form of awareness kuwe, or it can be in a form of awareness to whoever that's actually going to be a victim yama actions wakho because you are actually kule industry. Let's look at these stories about R. Kelly. There's a lot of things that actually happened payana, and the publicity had the power you decide what actually must happen. So at some point you get to question what actually influence the law. Is it the facts or is it what people say or what majority says? Because when you get into the industry, I'll be hyena when yourself. You get to be exposed to hyena because everyone that's looking at you, you are a solution to whatever problem they might have. So as being careful guys, guti singena kuma relationships anjani, or we are getting involved in abantu abanjani and all of that. So going back to our basics, going back to our basics. Ubani 10-1-1 kahle recruitment la kuphi leli uzaleleva ukhuleleva. I tell ukuba ngaba you are much into i-disc. Yeah. How did i-journey yakho or i-relationship yakho nje ne-disc begin?
All right, 33 intwana sekatlong. I can put it that way. Yase East. Ngizalelwe khona la East Rand, ngazalelwa Natal Spruit esibhedlela. I grew up in eHlongwane.
Okay.
Ekukhuleni ngahamba abazali baba nedladla eThwala. And I used to be a footballer myself.
Okay,
You know?
sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I used to be a footballer. I played for various teams. I played for Germiston City with Philip Ndlondlo. I played for Nabuchika, Abu Cream. Yeah, then I ngathola a team to Elsberg FC in Elsberg.
Okay.
From Germiston City to Elsberg. Then by the time I coach Jingles. Elinye ngamla so. So ngadlala then ngaya kuMbombela.
Okay.
Ngahlala and then I came back ngaya ku St Martins in Mpumalanga. Yabo so ngadlala ibhola ngidlale kakhulu till I came to realize ukuthi I think this platform is not for me. Because ngendlela ebengidlala ngakhona nange-discipline ebenginayo when it comes to football, it was something else, and benga expect ukuthi ingangithatha isikhathi esingaka. So then I stopped, ngabuye eKasi ngafika ngathola iSpani, but still Spani it was not in me. You understand? I now try to say, you know what, let me find something to do in football world.
Okay. Yeah.
Went back to football world. I checked, but the love like for being a commentator was beseyikhala la kimi ngaphakathi, besengibiza.
Okay.
Ithaya ntwana ngeke.
Yeah.
Lento le manje ungayinandisa lena man.
Ngabo bana bak-influenceayo?
I was influenced by ubaba uJoe Udla. I used to listen to Joe Udla too much, Babu Cebo Manyapelo. So those were people with manje mangimamela Ukhozi FM. I would listen to Babu Joe Udla doing the commentary, SABC1, Babu Joe Udla doing the commentary. Then I was like, nah, you know what? I'll be the Joe Udla Yaswekas. You know.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So from there, being Ucho Udla Wasekasi, I did my first tournament. First tournament that I did was a future tournament. Yes, Pumula. We went there because I was working for this sound company called Audible Sound Hire. So we went there to go and set up the sound.
Okay.
Set up a sound, set up a stage, and then when they were playing, there was no commentator. And I just took the mic and then I started calling out names on players, ngama nickname Ngubo, Piringi.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, sure.
So I think the organizer started laughing there. It was like, who's that young man? Like, no, Bongani lo. Man, look, man, lawyer, yeah. Because I remember at the time I was at Germiston, playing for Germiston, they used to call me Captain Congo. Because being captain your team, being gaga game.
Sure.
But being shy center back. Lalela.
Yeah.
You know. So young approacher le outi uZakhele Twala, and like, hey, Twana, are you good on this? I'm like, yeah. This is my first time doing this. What are you saying, my brother?
Yeah.
You know, I'm like, I know you're good on this. I can pay you for this. Like, you can pay me. Not just cut me. I was just doing it for the love of with manje. Good to ground and let people start laughing and have fun. You understand?
Yeah,
in terms of football, you know. So, out here to know. Uplomava ngayitshela taino. Tomorrow, Mauza, I will Uber for you. Okay, you'll Uber for me from endlini. Yeah, just come straight. Then I went home, gave him my address, And at 7:30, the Uber was there outside. Gene Uber in the grounding. I started doing commentary now. You know, that was my first tournament, and I gained confident as much as isikhathi masiloku sihamba. People now started saying, Ntwana, when are you not supposed to be epoqweni? Your commentary is just something else.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Then I
yeah.
started saying, okay, if abantu bazokhona ukukhuluma ngalento kanje, meaning there's something big that is in me. Ngacala ngenza ama research, started researching in the football, started research ama commentators ukuthi umsebenzi wenziwa kanjani. Then ngaqhubeka. Then there was another event with another tournament that was happening a video stadium in Masonville in Krugersdorp.
Okay.
And then I got a call from Coach Mshengu and Coach SK, which now is the coach of D10 is Coach Mshengu, and then Kaizer Chiefs ladies is Coach SK. Ulaphaya njengoba sekufakwe namantombazana. So I went there. There was a media broadcasting company there. Then they spotted me. Then they said, no, we want to work with you. So from that, angizange sapeke move.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I can tell you, my first professional game that I did was a FIFA World Cup qualifier, which was South Africa versus Ethiopia at Lucas Moripe Stadium. That was my first professional game I did.
Yeah, and
I killed it.
Commentary, where was it broadcasted?
It was live on Safa, SABC 1 Plus Sport.
Okay.
And go page yourself and go YouTube, Facebook. Yeah, that's where the qualifiers were being broadcasted.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Helicopter. Yeah. So what would you say you've then gained or you've then developed about yourself ever since you've joined the commentary?
I think I've gained a lot of experience in commentary world.
Okay.
I've also gained a lot of experience on how to handle yourself when you start picking up.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And I also gained experience on how to actually make connections with your fellow commentators, because remember, we come from different places.
Mm-hmm.
We come from different worlds as well. We were not born into the same environment. So sometimes we'd meet, he's a commentator, but he has the different mindset, you know. So I've gained a lot into how to handle yourself into this industry.
Okay.
And as a person individually, I've gained ukuthi ukuzehlisa ebantwini nokuthi ukhone ukuhlangana nabanye abantu ngendlela oziphatha ngayo ebantwini.
Sure.
Isho ukuthini kwabanye abantu, because into engeke ngayinotice ukuthi as much as ngila ngikhona namhlanje kube bokwabanye abantu kube la ekasi la kube sizwa ngabo.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Kube nje asibaboni nokubabona.
Yeah, true.
But as for me, this is where my career began, and this is where everything started ekasi ePuqweni eLokishini. That's why I respect every person engihlangana naye grounding.
Sure.
I respect every little, noma ngabathi umncane kangakanani. I always call you Hotman.
Yeah, ne.
Da ku grand Hotman, you know. And mangahlangana nabantu abaningi ubabuze personality yami in different cases, not just from Eastern Pela. You go to the north, you go to the west, you go to the east. Bazokujela that boy. It's just a people's person.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
into ayifunayo nje yena ukuthi kusetshenzwe kuchekwe ke phambili. Yabo. So kuningi nje ngiboni engikufundile njengomuntu ukuthi ongaziphatha kanjani ebantwini. People say industry changes people. Yabo. Some people say industry changes people. But I say umuntu osichinja yena. Akusi industry.
Akusi industry.
Yeah, akusi industry.
Yabo.
And then again nokuthi ke sometimes ke sinokuzi expose ke. Yabo njengathi sinokuziphose ebantwini abarong. Too much. Too much, my brother. I'm telling you.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, we allow them to come into our space. Kunguthi abazanga ngama intentions are right.
Intentions are great. That's the dangers of being ku-industry. And ukhumbule at the same time, you got to be friendly with everyone. Yabona? Okay, not to say friendly ngalendlela yokuthi maybe magna someone ufuna ukukujola, just do that data noma ubani, but you got to be friendly and you got to be approachable and all of that because you are a public figure.
Yeah.
So vele kubanzima ukuthi this person who's actually coming and ngimvulela isicaba kahle kahle uze ngathi.
Yeah.
It has color code.
Ziyakhala mfethu because as ungibona manje my brother, I'm coming from, I'll be very honest.
Yeah.
I'm coming from a very difficult situation. Into zami bezigrand.
Okay.
Fucked up. Trust me. Bengigrandi, bengize kasi ngama weekend.
Yeah.
You understand? But ekutholeni kwami I car accident, which was 7 November, I remember 2024.
Okay.
7 November, I rolled over ngemoto 3 times. But because of God is great, ngaphuma ngiclean. Imoto waba beyond repair. You know?
Yeah.
That's why ngithi from lapho my things started ukwehla. Yabo. But as umjita, you wouldn't notice ukuthi ngusiphi situation. Because every time I go out, I look smart. I put a smile on my face.
Okay, cool.
You know?
Good. Yeah.
So that I don't have to look like my problems. I have problems, they stay in my house, but immediately I walk out of that door, problem stays there. It's a new thing or a new day that needs to be happening outside.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So ngibuya kwenye situation nje ehlangahlangene. Even now I'm still dealing with those things. You know. Still dealing nezinto kumele ngizilungise, you know. Mabuya kuma internet kanje, a lot of things do happen, you know. Cherry bengizwana naye took a lot, you know. Yeah, so bekukubhaya nje bekuhlangahlangene. Yeah, bekukubhaya bekuhlangahlangene, but I would understand uyacava into zakho mazigrandi. Not every tegini oza kuwe ngama intentions are grand.
Okay.
Yabo abanye beza ngokuthi no low grand kusho mangithi, but manje ngithi thina singama out. Inkinga yethu ukuthi masike sazwana nomuntu wesimame sambona ukuthi ama intentions wakhe better kakawaboni. We go in wholeheartedly, not knowing ukuthi yena uthole umsebenzi eJozi. You understand? So into esifana nalezo I ended up yeah, so into esifana nalezo my brother, but yeah, life goes on.
Yeah. And like ngiyayithanda indlela that you actually derived us into this main subject esizokhuluma ngayo kai today, yabo. But I wanted to close the first one by a question so because I understand from my perspective nangendlela engibona ngayo ukuthi ispan sama commentators it is to bring idabi in each and every game edlalayo. Yabo.
True.
Yeah, it is to bring idabi because uyayizwa energy yebhola man groundini makungana commentator.
True.
And then naxa ikhona, yabo, of which that's when I personally believe ukuthi makune commentator groundini best believe wonke ama match azobadlala la idabi because of ispan nina abafethu nisenzayo. You can hype us singama fans sibhekelele, you can hype us singabo cameramen busy shooter kala, you can hype ama players still ba busy ba performer la, even if umjito uyadliwa or uyawina they are still able to enjoy a game because of ispan senu ningama commentators, how do you actually prepare for yonke le nto leya? Like, how do you prepare for that? Because ngendlela eni performa ngayo egroundini, I tell you guys, anibonakala ukuthi you've got inkinga kanje ngathi. It's like you are living in your space. Everything nje about Nina or surrounding Nina is totally different from what Tina we are experiencing. Because ispan senu it is to hype imuthi zethu. And awuna weekend where you can say I'm fit and corny this weekend because you're supposed to be espani and doing this thing and we are yenza still. So how do you prepare?
Preparation. I think I have to go back to say, ilento leuti. Whenever you into this industry,
Yeah.
ufana no, I can say ufana no doctor.
Okay.
You will meet different kind of patients, but at the end of the day, all you need to do is to serve them. Ukuze baphile.
Yeah.
Angithi.
Yeah.
So whatever problems onayo endlini, onayo nomama or nobaba sendlini, mawuphuma uthi ngiyongena esibhedlela, I need to start treating people.
Okay.
The mindset changes. And another thing, it's also about being into the right thing that your heart wants. Because of lento isegazini ngiyayithanda, I do it all-heartedly.
Okay.
And angifuni into ezongibhayizisa ezongiphazamisa when it comes to i-mic, masengiphansi kwe-mic. Because mangilapha, that's where I find my joy.
Nice one. Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, ngiyakufumana.
Yeah. Mangilapha, that's where I find my joy. Mangilapha, that's where I found my happiness. Mangilapha, that's where I say, ukuthi MK, I've got him $20,000. Akame kancane. Now this is me and the people that I need to serve. My clients, my patients are here. They need to get healing. Because remember, mawuphuma endlini, kunezinto ezikudisturbile nawe endlini. Now you want to come here, you want to refresh. You know, so imagine coming into that kind of environment, and then you find the commentator now, he's into your situation.
Yeah. Sure.
You know?
Yeah.
So commentators, I always say that professionalism is very important, and preparation when you leave the house is also very important, because ama patient wethu asilindile egroundini. Ama patient wethu afuna ukuyohila egroundini. So this is not just span, it's not just any work. It's a work whereby you deal with public.
It's a calling.
It's a calling. It's something that says,
Yeah.
For me, yeah, you're right. For me, it's a calling. It's something that God said, you will be this. And you are going to heal people out of this. You know?
Yeah.
So whenever I leave the house and say I'm going to the stadium and do my work, noma ngabe ngivuse ngo-12 ebusuku, I would wake up, bath, put a smile on my face, ngene emotweni ngihambe. Injalo mejom. It's a calling. Nokuthi lento for mina ihamba la egazini. It's in my veins. This black vein of mine.
Yeah.
That's where it is running.
It is right.
Inside phakathi. Benekant.
Yeah, uyangiceda sure. Uyangiceda sure. See, interesting ispan senu.
Yeah.
And see deep ispan senu. And asikho professional nje kuphela ispan senu, but see very spiritual as well. Yabo? Because I tell you are dealing with a lot of minds kara, and not just minds, you are dealing with a lot of spirits kara grounding.
True.
But the fun and the happiness and the joy nokukhululeka ube comfortable from us singama fans to players that you guys make us, I tell you Bafet, you're God sent. That's why ngivele ngithi this is a calling for you guys.
Yeah.
Like C-SPAN,
Yeah.
like it's a calling.
It's a calling, yeah.
Yeah, because you've got to be equipped ngazo zonke indlela for you to withstand le nto leya, because you'll never know. Sinini uzothi commentator comes someone akathandi le nto uyishoyo uzokushaya simply because you've spoke funny of team yakhe and then good about the other one. Yabo. Let's take a short break.
Okay, no problem.
Welcome back, Bafetu. I'm still with 10 Kumbuli guys, topic here today is very sensitive. I know negama, but theme yethu it's very important because yebangeli bangaba masibela today, which is accountability. That I believe bangaba it's what we are actually here about. No 10 So tayamu sasemnani mas.
Incredible match, but it's 33-10.
Yeah.
Yeah, wena ngiyazi uthandele ka 10-1 angithi vele ngangigijima njenge 10-1 egroundini.
And I'm confident kanjani ngikhuluma lento engikhuluma. Only to find out ukuthi ngikhuluma ngabo 10-1
police.
Because I remember Izolo I was thinking about you Izolo. So ndize ndithi ngenda isebenzisa the Nokia 3310. Yeah, so there's no way I'm going to forget Leah because I once used Leah phone Leah. But hayi man silapha. So time khonxelele with ispan sakho simnandi kangaka and the influence that you bring egroundini. It goes down to a downfall, of which at this point I wouldn't think nokuthi downfall, but then it's a wake up call. Yabo. There's a post that I saw on Facebook calling you a scammer, nama screenshots where there were some bank transfers and all of that. Before we get to Esa story, of which Wongumuntu knows Esa story,
yeah.
Can we first start with journey that led us to that?
Right.
Yeah. It begins from the moment you guys nibonana, if nibonene, and then to this point where Sespona is social media saying you are a scammer. Come on.
Yo.
Ngiyasicabanga iskema se-commentator.
You dog, like the whole 33 the scammer dog. Like you'd ask yourself, I've worked with so much powerful people, you know. I've worked with big brands, and I'm still working with big brands.
Yeah.
You know? And for someone to say 3310 the scammer.
Yeah.
I
feel like now that we're actually talking about Leah post Leah.
Yeah.
For some reason this Bonandi entitled for me to actually mention Lama companies that were tagged Payana.
Yeah, sure.
Because I wish this actually gets to them as well, so that bazofumana your side of the story. So he post Yamba so this one scammed me. He goes by the name of Bongani Tendani Nyirenda.
Yeah,
Nyirenda.
Yeah.
Is it vendor?
Bakwamba.
Is it vendor or?
Ndizona ngamuthi.
Okay, aka 3310, which it doesn't happen to anyone else. And then kutegwe Hollywood Foundation, Super Sport, ne Football Shaka Easter Tournament.
Yep.
Yeah. What's your relationship with these three companies as it take up?
When you mention those three big giants, unfortunately, I think Gunamanye with also big giant companies
that are not mentioned here.
That are not mentioned there because of she's not well aware of them.
Fortunately.
Yeah, okay. Fortunately, she's not well aware of them. I work with Hollywood Bets Super League as a commentator.
Okay.
I work with Super Sport Soccer Schools as a commentator. I work with Shaga as a commentator. So that's the relationship that you actually have
Yeah.
Yeah, so-
you are serving as their commentator.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go back to the journey that led us to these posts.
Well,
Qala kuphi?
yazi lento ya ngaze ngibhalele no 4 or 7 ngazi. Sabona.
Yeah, ngishilo ngathi ba comfortable.
So this it started in Jan. You know?
2026 Jan.
Yeah, this year, like 2 months back?
Is it 2 months?
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah,
2 months.
yeah.
It's 2 months back.
Yeah, two.
Yeah, it's 2
because
months back.
we're in the beginning of March, right?
March, yeah.
Okay, 2
So
months.
it's 2 months back. So I have a relationship with different coaches in the big sector in women's football.
Okay.
We have that relationship of saying, okay, 33, you are a community person, and me being involved with the football world, I don't want to see, more especially when it comes to Kasi ladies that we have with so much juicy football, that it should just end into the ground.
Okay.
You know. So I have a friend of mine, KB. We used to play together, go Sluma 7, and we played again go Mngadi United by that time. So I call him and I'm like, hey, my bro, you listen, man, I'm looking for a goalkeeper. The goalkeeper that was supposed to be taken to this team, I'll not mention the
Don't. Okay.
Is not qualifying to go and be in that sector because of metric results. You know, because it's an educational institute.
Okay, so they were
They
specific.
also play in the
about
Hollywood Bad Super League.
Okay.
You know. So he's like, no man, I know a lady coach that deals with women football. You know, so I'll speak to her and then I'll allow you guys to meet up or talk. All right. Mind you, I have a D license in coaching.
Okay.
Then he sends me the number. He sends me the number. He's like, okay, my guy, this is the person. You need to call the person and then explain. Then, yeah. So I call the person. Actually, let me not go into. Let me just put it straight.
Yeah.
I call Unolwazi uYolanda. Hello coach Sharp, kunjani Sharp man? Lalela man, ngifuna goalkeeper. Ngisifunela ini? Goalkeeper.
Goalkeeper.
Not anything else. Ngenza lento, remember bese ngikutshela incident yami ngisazofuna ukurecover ukuthi ilife yami sahlangene from that incident bengikhuluma ngayo le accident. I'm still recovering, I'm still patching down, you know.
Sure.
So she's like, no man, I don't have a goalkeeper, but I have these two great players, and bengicela sibone ukuthi bona singenza kanjani ngabo. Then I call my guy like, hey chief, I can't find a goalkeeper, but I have these two great players that you would love.
Uyakhipha mos yena eteamini yakhe sometimes.
She is a goalkeeper,
Okay.
but give me the age.
Go.
Is no longer at her side.
Okay, yeah, izomshaya.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
So I was like, okay, Sharp, it's just born to Swenza kanjani. So Sharp, Fedi, we meet, and then she's like, no man, I think I'm gonna need your help. Okay, you're gonna need my help in what way? You know? She's like, no, we have a tournament that is gonna take place on the 31st of Jan.
Okay.
So we need somebody who can help us into preparing the team and the squad that is actually going to take place in that tournament.
Oh, so they are not hosting the tournament.
No.
They're participating in one.
No, not. They're not hosting, but they're participating in the tournament that is taking place in Pretoria.
Okay.
That is in Jan, you know. We're still in Jan. So when I say Jan, I mean January.
Yeah, sure. Yes, it's okay.
So sharp. I'm like, okay, since you know that I've got a D license in coaching, I wouldn't mind for Team Yasekasi if they're going to play a tournament of this caliber, to come and help and prepare, because I know the teams that you guys will be playing that side. It's not going to be the Smolanyana team, because in tournament like this they bring their A game in with different some players from Sasol, you know, and you have never been in Sasol before. Okay, so
sure.
I understand the philosophy, and remember I work with ladies football in South Africa, and I understand already this is what they can bring when it comes to this kind of a tournament. Okay. So we start training. Mind you, I live in Spreadview. We're training.
How are you traveling? Is someone sponsoring your traveling, whatever?
Nobody is sponsoring my traveling.
Okay.
Sometimes when I'm flat, she actually requests for me from that side to this side.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
So it was that kind of a thing. Okay, Chief, no, I'm flat. Okay, Sharp, I'll sponsor your transport today, and then you'll take it from next week.
So when you're agreeing to assisting a preparation, like
Yes.
prepare a team,
Yes.
there is no any agreement in terms of maybe payment. And all of that. It's just you maybe giving back to.
Bengiyenza lento because of ngithanda ibhola.
Okay.
Ngesikhathi
Wants to go participate.
Iye Pitori.
Pitori.
Ngikhona.
Okay, I get.
You know?
Yeah, sure.
And KB will tell you that boy is very good in coaching. Yeah, that boy, I've coached several teams that I will not mention, but their players, some of them are in PSL, some of them are in Hollywood Bets, some of them they are in Kaizer Chiefs, you know, big brands, you know, because I know my story. Yeah, lapho ngeke ungenza next. Ngiyasazi story sami because I understand the fundamental of football. You know. So akuna agreement esinayo. Angizange ngathi okay, me coming that side uzabe ungibhadala.
Okay.
Angizange ngathi kuzoba mhlambe ne traveling allowance.
Okay.
No.
Or any sort of compensation.
No.
Okay.
You understand? So when I get to the team, players were happy. Kids were very happy. You know, okay, we've got a new coach, and now we see that the training has changed. You know, now we're trying to bring in the professionalism setup. You know, so as a trainer, we get games in between. You know, we're preparing for the squad now. We need to know who's ready and who's not ready.
Okay, cool.
So we're playing games, we're doing the training. Then she said, Dot, you know, I think it's best for you to move this side. Situda, sendlini, dagwake.
Okay.
Having that conversation.
What's leading to her saying Leontele?
Angangifihle chomam. Bekabona ukuthi uthole asset ezokhona ukuthi imenzele ini eduze, because some of the times bengakhona ukufika ngayi uthola ukuthi angimanga kahle ebhokotweni.
Okay.
And there's no way ngingaforce ukuthi ngisuke Spreadview ngize ngayi.
In Spano ya shy.
And Spani ya shy.
Okay.
Yabona?
Yeah.
She's the cheerleader. If a lot of people don't understand the cheerleader, she owns the team. So every decision that is being made from the technical board, or I can say the board, whatever, it goes because she owns the team. It's like Bo Petrus Matsepe.
Yeah, like me,
like wena ku channel yakho.
Okay.
Yeah. Everything you say, it goes.
Yeah, very.
If you say 33, I think you should come this side, and then uzoba eduze. it goes because remember I said I want to help. Yabo?
Sure.
So siyabonisana lapha and mina ngizange bro, you know, I swear on my father's grave. Njobalele lapha ya Tatu Nyirenda lapha Ellis Park. I was like currently at the moment I'm not financially stable.
Okay.
Ukuthi ngizokhona ukuthi ngisuke le ngizohlala this side. But if ever kwenzeka bekuya ngami bengingachiefa ngize ngisala sengiploma ngayi ngizoba closer for a team because sizosebenza throughout the year. You understand?
Yeah.
Then she's like, no, listen, there is a room just corner like Chartine. It's like where she stays.
Okay.
You know? So what I can do is that I can speak to the landlord, and then I can pay that rent.
Okay.
Then when uzothi maso grand ungithethe price tag ya.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So okay, sharp. Sikhuluma ngento ka January la.
Is that a verbal agreement or?
Sikhuluma nge-verbal agreement.
Okay.
Akuna next esisayine phansi.
Okay. Anikhulumi nange WhatsApp.
Asikhulumanga nange WhatsApp uthi ngizokubhadalela i-rent and then wena uzongibhadala amasonayo.
Okay.
Yane?
Yeah.
Ngilapha kuye sayiringa lento. Yangithola. Lapho ukhumbule MK sesibe yeah. Yazini.
Uzanazo ndoda. Why wishiya phakathi?
Lapho MK sesibe involved in a relationship bro. Sesithathe sayikhipha from espanini sesifake kuphi ku relationship.
How does it derive from professional relationship to something intimate?
Good question, my brother. Mina ngizoba nevari, ngizoba neqiniso bafethu. Umuntu esimame, they've got their own ways of working into a man's who's ugcina tsika nteke.
Okay.
I hope sibadala masingaka we understand that.
Okay.
They're very capable of that. So it happens ukuthi one day siplomile, she asked me to mfethu ngicela ungidrive ngifuna ukuyejuza. Okay, sharp. Come the side ntwana manje yazi kube sihlangane kudala kube manje sesinoncosi. Start raising eyebrows now, okay? Mara, no, it happens for a reason. Remember, unaba nama young men I too our tolile which that I didn't have a problem with. You understand? Magathi kimi kube manje sesine ngosi and manje se raise eyebrow. But I know it's fine. It's still time. You know? As a man, one thing that comes into your mind is like, okay, so lo kahle she's no longer into this. Sikafuna relationship. Angithola.
Yeah.
Lo sikafuna relationship. So kwandlula boma 2 days we ended up being intimate. Yeah, safika emashiti namhlophe.
So for it to get to a point where you intimate, this means gcine senivumelana ka whatever benithethe ngayo emotweni wena wakhuphula ama eyebrows and be like, okay, sesilama manje.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, come on, dude. So dawa mathanga. So dawa mathanga mecho.
Akufanelanga ndihleke but man.
No, yazi nanoma kushoniwe my brother kuyahlekwa.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, kubhlungu but kuyahlekwa.
Okay.
Yeah, so dawa mathanga mecho. You know, but there's a statement that her mom made. Like nina no itu akusungumntana omncane I'm way old and I know what is happening here. Just make sure ukuthi nigcina ninga limazana. You know?
Okay.
At the back of my mind is like, okay, so she is trying to protect her child. Ukuthi ngingamu hate. Yeah, you understand?
Yeah.
But at the same time, I did not know ukuthi naye lo mama unezakhi inkandali eloku azenza. You understand? So she was trying to reprimand the both of us at the same time. Ningasayenzi lento eniyenza. Meaning the mother saw mangicala ngicabanga manje, the mother saw ukuthi, but the young man think intwane sharp. But manje sengikhuza lo wami ngendlela engengize ngiyenzeni.
Yeah.
Uyangithola mara. Why ngisho kanjalo? Kuthe makuse kuvela le post. Ungizwa kahle MK. Mak pop up le post ku Facebook. There were kids. When I say kids, I mean players that started texting me. Coach, we really sorry ukuthi kwenzakale ngalendlela, but why will she do that? Why will she go on social media knowing very well ukuthi wena umuntu onjani and ispan sakho sinjani?
Yeah, man.
Sikhuluma ngabantwana la MK. Asikhulumi ngabantu abadala, sikhuluma ngabantwana, asikakhulumi ngabantu abadala. Sikhuluma ngabantwana abasechimini. Then some of them even started saying, thina sesiyama simjwayele imikhuba yakhe.
Yeah. Mara, what actually leads to that post?
What leads to that post is that, okay, uykhafile le 2.3.
2.3.
Bro, angifihli.
I-room costs.
I-room 2.3.
Okay, yo. Yeah, ka sama room ngama 750 800 ndoda.
Angithi yena ubloma emakhalati. So ra ejardini le room beline shower, line camera nyana. Let me just say it was a bachelor thing.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, but my flat apartment,
Yeah,
something
young
like
twal.
that. Okay.
So ngaphambi kokuthi mina ngingene ngiyendlini, mangifika endlini ngihlale man ngizikhuphule. No man. Mistake number 1 engiyenzile is agreeing to that ukuthi ngizosondela ngibe ngale duze. Mind you, the room has been paid. Imali ngenile la. I need now just to ukuthi manje ngitransfer iye kuphi? Ibhatale room.
So imali iza ku your account.
Uyibhatala ingena on my account.
To your account.
Ukuthi ngimele ngiyenzele ngitransferele ubani? Stand because of akafuni yena kube uye o transferela bani? Stand.
Oh, okay.
Did you get the logic here? So the logic is stand angimazi lo muntu, but I colleague yami ngisebenza naye. So uzoku, I don't know whether I'm making sense.
You are.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
Remember, mind you, I'll tell it the way it is. It's whether people believes it or they don't. I'm not here ukuthi ngizo mosha igama lomuntu.
Yeah.
But I'm just here to tell the side of the story that people don't know. You know? People I saw kule post were asking ukuthi what happened.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which she failed to explain on what happened.
Because there's a comment Hollywood where they asking bangaba what happened and
exactly.
She tried to explain ukuthi what actually happened. By the looks of the comment, I don't know what happened. By the looks of the comment, recent yonke le ayinama time frames is to say mhlawumbi I'm giving you this time for you to pay this money, and then if ever uyahluleka there's any conversation ebakhona, like nivele na retaliate.
Exactly. Exactly.
What I need to know ukuthi for it to escalate to a part where sekuya retaliate ngaleya ndlela leya ibuya kuphi, because you guys benispana nitu, you are,
she's my woman,
ngapha she's your woman.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
You're not only contributing mhlawumbi kuye ngokothandwa and all of that, but you're also developing a team. As much as she's maybe contributing nakuwe, not ngokothandwa qha, I don't know what else she was contributing.
Yeah.
But in a space of 2 months nidibene nasebenza nonke and all of that, and then senilwa publicly.
Yeah, it becomes to it goes back to the point whereby I said we meet different people.
Yeah.
Not every person is ohlangana naye ozoba ne motive a grand for mina or for wena.
Yeah.
More especially when now they understand who MK is,
Okay.
who 3310 is. You understand? Now they know 3310 is linked to these big brands. And I'm running a team here. Manje sengihlela ngithi manje psychologically sengiyayireada manje ngiyi-one.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I'm running a team here. Meaning le outlay ngang-connector. There are benefits that I'm gonna get from this man.
Yeah, ne?
Uyangithola? So for me ukuthi abe eduze ithi ngingamchiftisa ukuthi akasondele vele abe la kimi. Uyayibona? So the agreement beyingekho ukuthi uzokhokha kanjani beyingekho. But for me, at the back of my mind, I'm like, okay, so since she's my woman, meaning she understands, because I told her straight, yabona MK ayikho into emnandi ku relationship umuntu wakho umtshela ndoda, I'm going through a phase, and this phase ungaboni ngathi angikunaki.
Okay.
Yabo, it's a phase whereby I am going through my past. That where I need to fix, I'm fixing my past.
Yeah, uzozama ukurecover.
Ukuthi ngikhona ukurecover ngibuyele ngibe lo 3310 abantu abamazi. Yabo.
Sure.
So she's like, no, ungawari izondlula la. Okay, sharp. I've got a supportive partner. -1.
Tika my box.
Tika my box. Angithi.
Sure.
Obvious. More than a supportive partner, you tick your box lakho. Okay, -1. She has my back. MK ngispana during the week. Span night shift. At a certain as an intern, a certain company.
Okay.
Ngena ngo-5. Chasa ngo-7. I'm not complaining about that. Ngisuka le ngize la kuye. Ngisuke lapho athi ngicela ukuyenza ukuthi nokuthi sambe the whole day. Ayenza into zakhe. Angalali. At the back of my mind, I'm like, okay, since I can't be there for her via financial. Ithi ngimsize ngalokho okuncane ukukhona izinto.
Yeah.
You understand?
Things done.
Yeah, get
Yeah,
things
sure.
done. You understand?
Yeah.
She's my woman at the end of the day. Yabo. Ubani omunye kumele amenzele this kind of ngikhale ukuthi mina ngikhathele you baby angeke. You understand? Ithi ngibe khona, fika ngibeke ibag, thatha imoto siphume sambe. Ayenze the very same thing ayenzayo abuye athi no ngifuna ukuyobeka into kanje, ngifuna ukuhambisa into kanje, ngifuna kuze kushaye u3:30. Angisalalanga.
Kumele ubuyele espan.
Kumele ngibuyele espan.
Okay.
I'm just trying to ukuthi ngiveze ukuthi sacrifices that we men made sometimes ngenxa ukuthi no man she's there for me angikho lapha financially ithi ngizame ukufaka isandla whereby now naye azokhona ukubona ukuthi no iyangifatela le bar noma ingalala ngifike esipanini ngikhathele akufonele kusasa 6 ndoda lalela la mfethu yazi kumele ngiyohlangana nosibani kuphi still do the same thing.
Yeah.
So kule 2 month engikhuluma ngayo it has been a hell of a 2 month for me. Yabo.
Sure.
But for the sake ukuthi lento bengayithathi ngiyithathe as hayi mandiki nini why ngathi sekusebenza mina kakhulu ngiyayuzeka, you understand? At the back of my brain was like, okay, so she's my woman, I need to support her. Amanye amadoda they support their wives financially bayajabula. Some of men they support their wives ngendlela yokuthi whatever that needs to be done,
We are here.
he's there. You understand? Emotional support.
Okay.
He's there. Yabo. So kuba ilezo zinto lezo zokuthi sometimes ungabona ngathi out yakho iyakuflopela. Isuke ngakuflopeli. Isandla masingafiki lapha asifiki. And there's no way ukuthi ngizokhona ukulula isandla sami sisifike lapha ya.
Okay.
Angeke sifike.
Let's take a break. Futhi ukuhleka le. Let's take a break. Okay, welcome back bafethu. Welcome back. Ngisaphethe u3310 kayi. Yeah, angibhudanga this time
Manje clean.
111. It's clean.
Manje clean.
You are actually making us understand kahle kahle bangaba kwenzeke ntoni between the two of you.
Yeah.
Actually escalated into your social media.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
I get from izinto esithethe ngazo so far are all the efforts obewuzenza and you didn't seem appreciated. Yabo.
Not even a single one.
Yeah, you didn't seem appreciated or noticed in a way yokuthi bakucabangela ukuthi you've got to go to work or you've got other duties ekufanele uzenze in life other than focusing kuleya E1 or Z2 because it was a team and then nomjolo.
Yeah.
Yeah, my responsibilities ndoda.
Ndoda loka aya edeka my responsibilities and benga complain at all.
Okay.
You know, I'm one person like yabona mangithole umuntu wesimame whereby we try to get along and understandane.
Sure.
Kuba yimi naye. You understand? Mangithi kuba yimi naye akekho none of my ex will tell you ukuthi lethothi ke yangichithela. Because of I don't have time for that. That's point number one. I chose you when ulagi me.
Yeah.
It's important give me uwe ispansam namachuchis am. Yabona. So program ike ingihlabile not kancane.
Yeah.
Ingihlabile but at the end of the day it's life goes on. It is what it is. We can never undo what is done.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's already there on public social media. And one thing that I can say is that social media inamandla.
Yo, bro.
It can destroy whatever it is.
Yeah.
But kwesinye isikhathi you would say you want to destroy somebody's career because of when ama emotions wakho are hurt or ukwatile kanti kula mvulela khona indlela ezisharp.
And there's always a flop xa uyenza into out of emotions, especially kwi-industry. I don't know kwezinye platforms or kwezinye industries, but kule sikuyo ya kunzima. I get xa uloku explainer about the things obowusacrifice for yena, because obviously nami ngumjida. I know the moment I get hurt into ezofika kuqala it's the things ebendizenza for yena that esibonakale ngathi akazi appreciate or akaziboni and all of that. But there's that one thing or two things or at least I don't know of izinto aye wazicela kuwe that you could not do as a creator the anger.
Okay. So on that one I think kube ukuthi what triggered her to be this mad. Ngasho ngithi uhlanyile. Yeah, uhlanyile.
Yeah. What did you promise him? There must be something umthembise.
Bekungana promise my brother.
Okay.
But because the promise is like MK, I'll buy you a cap on the 15th. No matter what, that's a promise.
Yeah.
I'm promising you that.
Okay.
You're gonna get it on the 15th. That's a promise. But for me, there was no promise. I think into ele yam triggerisha ukuthi bekumele ngimgaye inyuku last week. Njengoba posta le post.
Okay.
Yane?
How does it get to bekumele umgaye inyuku last week? Yiyo le mali lekufanele umbhatala yona.
Iyona lekumele ngimnikeze yona. Yona lekumele ngiyibhatale le 2.3.
Okay.
Ane? So ekuthenini kwami ukuthi manje kumele ngimnikeze le 2.3 it was bekumele ngimnikeze on Friday. Yeah, on Friday. Ane? Ngimtshele ngitala lela program izinto azihlangananga the way kumele sihlangane ngakhona.
Okay.
Yabo?
Yeah.
As umuntu wami. Yabo? Sikhuluma lezi zinto manje as umuntu wami sasikhuluma njenge sikhulu sami.
Sikhulu sami.
Or employee yami.
Okay.
Yeah, eva kangoku.
Yeah.
Uba iqala phi ke ianchor. Shuthi from what I'm seeing is beka plan something ngayo ngalenyu. Or mhlambe bekhona into ebekumele ayikhave ngayo le new.
Yeah.
Because on Thursday, she texted me. She's like, I need to be somewhere on Friday and stuff like that. So make sure that money is being paid.
Was there communication prior to say ngiyayidinga manje le mali?
No. There's none.
Nixabane nini? Okay. Nisuka nini from umjolo? Because you can tell ukuthi by conversations akusajolwa akusa 3000 izifike yajolo. It's like give me what belongs to me and then sizohlukana.
Indaba yokuhlukana bengekho mechumi.
Hayi lewe yenu le
Indaba yokuhlukana bengekho mechumi. Understand me mangithi indaba yokuhlukana bengekho. Indaba yokuhlukana izoba khona manje nakhona zanga athi siyahlukana. Iyangithola?
Yeah.
From mara njengomuntu ohroti okhona ugrade izinto. Kushuthi yena kuye beseka nenye plan ngenye indlela.
Yeah.
Yabo? Because I don't think or I don't believe ukuthi you'd say kumuntu wakho because of into yakho ayihlangananga the way kumele ihlangane ngakhona. And then would send a message ukuthi where's that? There's my phone. Mina program I don't talk into engekho. We try by all means because of lento le angeke yenzakalele kimi kuphela. Ukhona omunye mhlambe ebeseke bamenza ngalendlela just because of yena bekungasi public figure or bekungasi umuntu owaziwayo, so it was not easy for them to go public.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna read you
Afunda izifundele xa uyifumene.
yeah.
Bangathi uyayilungiselela because
Okay, so nailento. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi kushuthi bekuna something ebekumele ayikhave. So this one goes uthe ukubimsendele bengimfonela.
okay.
Ngathi asizwananga kahle, is like okay please inetwork la endlini yahlupha type ngilana endlini yabo. So she's like okay can we please, this is where it starts, can we please talk so I know what I can tell the landlord straight answer, cause you're not saying anything.
Oh, now I get it now.
Ankhuluma into engekho, there it is.
Cause now you okay.
You know?
Now I get it. Ukunikeza $1 le rent for you to pay rent ku landlord osejarodini.
Yes.
And then when you told ama cold feet for whatever reason and be like nah angisazoyibhatala le rent guy because of your reasons.
Yeah, my reasons were ngibeke kanje. My reasons were number 1, mangizohlala phambi kwalo yamntwana lo ya because of ingqondo beseyibuyile sengile asesilalile ngabona some few yama red flags, which is number 1.
I don't.
Yeah.
You're out.
Which is number 1, my man. Which is number 1? Ile yokuthi ngingalali mangibuye emsebenzini. Red flag number 1.
Okay.
Red flag number 2.
Better.
Ile yokuthi manje whatever she needs to go somewhere, mele mina ngimdrive. Red flag number 2. So abengizoba isigqila sakhe sokuthi ubuya la ngibuya khona emherezweni wami. Angisitholi isikhathi sami because of yena ufuna ukuya somewhere. For the fact ukuthi manje mina naye siyathandana, mele ngisacrifice ngingene emotweni sikhuphuke siye la kumele siya khona.
Why angazenzeli?
Good question is the time mina ngekho bekenzelwa ubani?
Okay.
Which means ikhona enye out ebe ikhona beyenza ningangithathi kababukeli ningangithathi kabi angisho ukuthi bekanenye ibhari or bekanenye itsotsi ngisho ukuthi meaning kukhona omunye umuntu ngithi ngibeke kahle.
Okay.
Kukhona omunye umuntu obekayenza lezo zinto lezo, but immediately now she and I get involved, that's when now things say it endoda ungasayenzi lento my man will do it.
Which makes sense.
Which there was no problem at all with that.
Yeah.
Yabo? But manje leyo ukuthi ngizoba isigqila sokuthi manje mina ngibuye Spanish chief I work very I mina even my boss from Super Sport Soccer schools will tell you what time to get rest, because you find in the game esepitori ngisuka like saying ngo4 ngile ngishaya game ngibuye endlini ngifika ngoma 11 ngo9 o'clock mele ngibe eBhalf. I go there with no complaint. So he was like, Ntwana, when I koloi, using public transport, you always on time. Do you ever rest? During the week, you say you're doing the internship. Like, do you ever rest? You know? So that thing, it's in my DNA. And I told them that I don't rest because of Angnanex. Rest is for those people abaneza.
Yeah,
because now they can rest. They can easily rest. They work their part out. But ke la into eslusayo would say I think it's into elwisa yena mina ngilwi naye.
Yeah. You know what I'm picking? Ngok?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna come for you. I'm gonna come for you in a way. When you saw but okay, you're no longer interested in taking residency Leanda or Leon. Did you communicate with her? And then did you send her imali yakhe back?
I need to take accountability for that.
Yeah. Because you'd find that's the reason why I kwatile.
That's not the reason why I kwatile.
What's that?
That's not the reason why I kwatile. Sige sabana encounter whereby Gimme ane angisho ukuthi bafethu mina bafethu angifuni ningithathe njengomuntu omubi ningangithathe njengomuntu omubi but ngumuntu nje ongifuna ukuthi ngin highlightele some other things.
Okay.
Angizanga la for ukuthi ngizokhuluma yena kabi, but I was only here to put the scam thing to bed.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay, sure.
Yeah, so in so doing, I'm forced to go to kuye. This is what she was doing. Saying keep her I'm imagine now I'm saying to her level. Saying stood low to her level.
Yeah. So do you mean there's more to this than Glendo Siva?
Le anybona lapha ku Facebook.
Facebook. There's more to it.
Asike sithi nje kuye akavele abe neqiniso.
Yeah.
Atshela abantu ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
Enye into ke nathi ke shem singamajita, especially when we get into the industry and all of that. Siyathanda ukusebenzisa the influence isicabanga ukuthi sinayo, because in most cases asinayo le influence le, we just think we have it because we are kwi-environment or kwi-atmosphere that is with the people abakhulu abakhona ukwenza izinto zenzeke. Yabo, so me being able ukuthi ngene and share the same office naye ngivele ngicabanga ukuthi nami sengida, and then maybe when you said to her ukuthi ngizokutholela isponsor mfethu, not knowing ukuthi for you to get a sponsor there's a paperwork that's got to be drafted and then it has to align with the vision yaleyo company that you are applying isponsor kuyo. Maybe you could have said ukuthi mfethu ngizokutholela isponsor from one of the companies engisebenza nazo, and then you didn't do the nto leyo.
Uyabona my brother, now uzala ngikufuna khona.
Oh,
I was expecting those
coming there.
No, I was expecting those kind of questions.
Okay.
Because people might think ukuthi mina ngithe because I'm now working ne Super Sport mina ngizokutholela isponsor ku Super Sport.
Yabo.
None of that. There's no day whereby ngimthembisa ukuthi ngizokutholela isponsor. But phansi kimi enhlizweni akukho la ngakuvezela khona la ngakutshela khona ukuthi ngeke ngathi ngimthembise isponsorship.
Yeah.
We
know the desires esifuna ukuziyenzela abantu bethu.
Yes.
Yeah.
But phansi kimi enhlizweni mangihleli ngiwana bekhona few people that I've actually spoken to in terms of a team structure. Mangikhuluma nge team structure, ngikhuluma remember I'm a coach in that team.
Okay.
I know what's needed in that team. Ngikhuluma ngayo markers, your cones, your ball, your training gear, your track suits, your shorts for the girls to look nice when we're going to the games, those kind of a thing.
Okay.
Because of labo bantu labo ngiyabazi, they are very close to me, and mabangifuna something ngiyabenzela. Whenever I ask for a favor, they do give me. Yabo.
Yeah.
Khulumela nje ngoyi-one. There is Marshall Sports Betting World. I don't know whether you know the brand, Marshall Sports World of Sport Betting. I was coaching Spanish School of Soccer. Ngayenza a relationship nalabo bantu labo from that day.
Okay.
Ane?
Yeah.
And from that day, they gave us iJersey, amabhola. The time social at Soweto, they gave us Ikaula,
Yeah.
And those people, those are one of the people that I spoke to. No man, manje I'm dealing with the women for football. Ngikhuluma manje kunenye engengize ngibize ngegama. It's a big brand nayo.
Okay.
It sponsors abo referee. I-attire yakhona. Yeah. Singaze si
Yeah, I think I'm
sixabane
aware of it.
nomphakathi.
Yeah, I'm aware of it.
Yeah. So,
okay.
so they were saying, Ntwana yam, give me the number of girls, of players that we actually have
Okay.
in your team. Ane?
Yeah.
And then thina sizokwenzela aboshoti, ama-tracksuit, amakepisi, amapini, sikunikeze for your team. Ukuze izinto zibe njani, zibe grand.
You shared the news with her.
Next.
Okay.
You know why? Because I believe ukuthi into mangiyenza mina akumelanga ngishare ingaka manifest.
Okay.
Yangithola.
Yeah.
Let it manifest first, and then you can say ndoda ngihlanganisile 1 2 3 labantu beza Wednesday.
Okay.
That one.
Yeah.
Because ngisebenze nabantu abaningi kakhulu. Some of the things I believe with ziba spiritually. I remember the time you sign a contract ne media company, the broadcaster, I hold it better. I told a lot of people, their contract fail.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yabo?
Okay.
It failed. They just said, you know what, 33, we'll call you some other time whenever things are ready, but now we're still fixing some few things.
To this day.
Yeah. I had to find another way of working myself in to that brand as well. Yabo? So that's where I learned ukuthi sometimes ukutshela wena ukuthi angisho ukuthi wena I'm just making an example.
Yeah.
Ukutshela wena ukuthi ndoda kunento ezovela so uyafika uyangena la uyahlanya u3310 umfake ebhodleleni. Yangithola.
Yeah.
Angisho ukuthi naye unjalo, but I'm just making an example ukuthi ukushare into ingakenzeki. Ubungozi bayo, because ungakhohlwa leskin lesimnyama lesi. And as we black people, we intend to forget who we are.
Okay.
Yangithola.
Yeah.
Black people kunabantu abenza izinto spiritually. Yabo? And ngaphandle kokuthi wena uziprotecta some self wena, angeke uze succeed in life. That's why uzobona into zami ngiyazama mara ziphumelele. Chief, close your mouth, thula.
Wenze
kuphela abantu bamangele sekwenzakele. Because the more you talk, abantu akusunoma ubani ukujabulela ukuthi wenze into enhle.
Sometimes ngiyipani zethu zifuna ukuthi create post and maybe 7 months before the day.
So ukhumbula to create a post kulo 7 month. Mawufika kulo 7 month ama team athawiz.
Yeah. Things happen, man. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
So kuba into ezikanjalo angizange ngishare le information, but ngike izolo, yeah, not ngike izolo njoba ngise angithi yana utheke ishaka wadwa asitshela ukuthi izongibhayizisa.
Yeah.
Bazongibhayizisa bonke labantu.
Yeah.
Chief, I can tell you, do not, my sister, my brother, if ever ujola nomuntu or uzwana nomuntu or your man is a talented guy or is a talented lady or is a man that has been gifted by God, ungadlali ngaloyo muntu loyo. Uthi uyamosha. After ispan sakhe sesivelile kwabanye abantu abafuna ukusebenza naye, uthi ummoshele kuleyo bantu la. The more you do that, you're creating more favors for him
Yeah, ne.
or for her.
I only have 2 last questions, ne? 2.
Let them land, my brother.
2. But,
Yeah.
But before that, I wanna reprimand lento leyo ukuthi whenever you guys are fighting kumjolo or whenever we are fighting emjolweni or relationship or emshadweni whatever, stop going for ama careers wabantu.
Chief.
Like you are being immature, like ngandlela zonke ezikhona, and if ever we could entertain into immaturity yakho, you'd find ukuthi kwizinto ezirepresentayo professional uzobhayiziseka, because we would want you to account kwizinto ezininzi. Just stop attacking ama careers wabantu, guys. That one, I think it's a no-go. I think there must be a code or something yomjola. Ndithi nathi amajita we've got a guy code. You don't go for my ex or in.
Why would you go for my ex?
Send yacho, but nalapha man, you don't go for a career yomntu that you are in a relationship with. If ever niyahetana emotionally, let it stay there.
Before you ask me a question, my brother.
Yeah.
I just want to read you few from the quiet individuals.
Okay.
Atigimi. All right. Where is it? Atigimi. Yeah. No. Vele thina siyazi. Akanalo iqiniso ucoach Yolanda.
Let me read it myself. Sorry.
Sorry, Bafich.
I won't read the person.
Yeah, don't read the person. Okay, nang la. Ebingicabanga, okay, ngifuna ukufunda la from la icala khona, uyifunde nje. Uyehle nayo. Uyayiva ke ngoko. Okay. Okay, just a second. I'm trying to get where it all actually started.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll start here. 9. So you can read from there. Ugia pants.
Okay, vele ucoach akanalo iqiniso sometimes. Okay, the person responding to whatever you were saying.
You can start from la mina ngiqala khona.
La wena uqala khona.
Yeah, ungasabi mechom. I've got nothing to hide. Hence I've said that I'm here not to hide things, but
Yeah.
I'm here to clear things out.
Because he conversation ya Friday le uthi ugel or ugel, okay, whoever.
Yeah.
Ugel ne.
Yeah, ugel.
Okay, ugel says hi coach, and then when uthi show umbize ngegama WhatsApp ati you good? Yeah, I'm okay. Why? I'm confused. Why are you removed from the group?
Yes.
Okay, so be WhatsApp group
Your team.
Your team. Okay.
Yes.
I'll be honest with you guys. She's fighting with me. She said I scammed her. What? Yep. Please ask for forgiveness because I can't lose the best coach. Please don't show her our chat. Okay, shame umntana bantu. Okay, uthi cela uxolo because they cannot lose the best coach.
Why would I ask for forgiveness
And
for
then-
something that I did not do wrong?
Okay. Okay, when you are saying you're safe, okay, and don't you umntana uthi suhamba mfethu. Okay, now again. Okay, I see now the emotional blackmail umntwana's okay. I wouldn't even think banga by blackmail because you'd find ukuthi they saw a parent in a way. Yabo.
I don't know whether we're back online.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. I'll tell you one thing, MK. Whenever I say I'm a coach,
Mm-hmm.
I become a father. You know,
Yeah.
in terms of grooming the future stars.
Okay.
And I make sure that they are comfortable in their space with me.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Sure.
So that's why most yama teams and players that I've coached izolo into or la bekathi ngimoshela khona before nje ngithi la bekathi ngimoshela khona ngibuyoshaya Saturday Sunday. I mean like ngishaya Saturday and then Sunday I went to Old Peter Mokaba Stadium.
Okay.
Mina ke yazi uNkulunkulu sometimes iko lingithi ke MK wena ungathi uyangimosha uthi uyangivalela ungikhatha out kuma sponsorship kanti kulaba bakuthanda khona kakhulu bavele babona ukuthi hayi no shuthi ke lentwana le hayi no iyayishaya lento.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Saturday I was at Shaga la bekathi ngimoshela khona lo mama lo.
Okay.
And people were very much happy and ngikutshela ukuthi from kuma fans nje.
Yeah.
Just from kuma fans. I'm not saying ukuthi ngikholile just from kuma fans nje.
Okay.
Ngihleli nje lapha. I got to manage to get myself a 5 clip from kuma fans ukuvela nje. Yes, now football is going to be nice. Ntwana, you here? Here's the 5 clips.
Yeah. Yes.
You know?
Okay.
And I was like, okay, so sometimes someone would say ngiyamosha uMK kanti uMK kulaba mvulela khona ezinye indlela
Yeah.
ezimnandi ezizokhona ukuthi zimphathe abe grand.
Okay.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Sunday I was at All Peter Mokaba Stadium. I did my span. I came back this early morning hours. Yabo.
Okay.
And for me, when you said Ntwana, let's talk about this. What really transpired?
Yeah. Yeah.
I was like, Ntwana, you know, bengithi ngeke ngize ngi-entertain this thing because if inja, if inja,
Okay.
yeah, if inja izofuna ukuthi ikudonsele phansi nawe wa reality kuleya standard sakhe sokuthi ufuna ukudonsekela phansi, which means nonke nizinja, but you let the dog be the dog.
Yeah. You sound like you are angry.
No, I'm not angry. I'm just how would I put it? I'm not angry
Yeah.
at her, to be quite honest. I'm angry at myself. You know why I'm saying I am angry at myself? I should have not got involved in a sexual relationship nalomta.
Which then brings us to my 2 questions, Gengo, because I wanted to first ask Guti, do you think it is wise for whoever to date into industry akuyo or to date na someone who's supposed to be having a professional relationship now?
I'll put it. It's not wrong to date industry. It's not wrong, but inobungozi because we don't know labantu esdata nabo kule industry ukuthi bona baboneni kuwe. Some are there with okay, MK is a senior, I'm a junior. Mangate to MK, I'll get a bit of a recognition or a senior position.
Yeah.
That's where inobungozi ngakhona. But when you're dating industry, dating umuntu or straight on a very same vision or khona understand, we can't say no to that.
But ubungozi busasekhona.
Ubungozi still busasekhona.
Busasekhona.
So I would advise esjentsini noma ke kuwo ke ama ladies. Data umuntu ozokhona understand mhlambe out of the industry. That's why bathi emsebenzini is not right ukujola. Because whenever ngixabana endlini, that thing comes back and backfires la emsebenzini.
Yeah.
This is the very same situation. Sixabana endlini iyathathwa manje iza kuphi? Iza la ku social media. Social media iflatwa yophi? Emsebenzini.
ziyakhala.
Ziku-loudspeaker.
Here's the other thing. I don't know why did I think Bangaba it's gonna be a question, but I'm also in the industry. It's one thing that's happening. Yabon, Tina siyathanda uku-exhausta. Okay, not even uku-exhausta. Ukusebenzisa the power that we think we have. Ukuloba abantwana bangaba basidedele imfundo. We do that a lot singamatsha.
Kakhulu.
Yabo?
Yeah.
What do you think are the dangers zalonto leyo? Because now you'd find yourself in a situation so where intombazana is gonna say, you promised me A, B, C, D, E, F, G, if ever ngizoba intimate nawe in a way, because ngendlela esincenga ngazo apha ngaphandle angazi ukuthi ipower yempundu why iso mfethu, yabo? But it's a trap ndanga, I tell you, it's a trap leyanto leyana. So yeyiphi indlela that you think kumele sizikhusele ngayo, especially ku-industry?
Awuthami ngizokutshela into eyi-one. Ngicela babukele ekhaya. Nithathe lento, nihlale phansi nicabangisise.
Yeah.
If umuntu awumthandi at all, don't even think about it.
Yeah.
Ukuthi impundu zingakanani, izezakhe leza impundu ayizo zakho. And there's no in a way that in a single day that leza impundu zizawuchinja zibe ngezakho.
Yeah.
When now you're being ruled or maybe ngasho ngithi alignwa ngumphambili wakho. So stop thinking ngumphambili lo uJomo. Yeah. Cabanga ngengcondo. You understand?
Sure.
Lento ngiyayisho futhi ngiyayiphinda. If ever awumthandi miyekele impundu zezakhe.
Okay.
Yeah. Makathathe le impundu azinike abanye ekuzoba kube ngezabo.
Yeah.
Yabo, because akusize zakho wena your motive is yo Jomam xa ngatsha pha kwezampundu. Yo,
why are you putting that in Xhosa? Because you're not even Xhosa, mfethu.
Yazi why ngifaka ngesixhosa. That's why ngifaka ngesixhosa.
Sure.
As a commentator I've learned to be exposed in different languages.
Okay.
Ndikwamba ngachivenda nabulabula na Xichangani, kyabua kya araba kaofela tsona ka mokgo hore language kaofela eleng mo South Africa. The only language that esam gang buthatha ona yano bona manje bheka manje sengikhuluma ngesilimpopo. That is the best part of being a commentator. Mind you, I was a radio presenter before.
Okay.
So the only language is a problem is Afrikaans.
Yeah, madi.
But all these other 10
Yeah, shy.
ungeze ujahile uzohlangana nemamba isikuphendula sobona ukuthi hey kanti lo muntu uyayazi language.
Yeah,
Angithi manje vele plus mina ngiyinsundu ngokweba yazi makuthiwa unsundu njani.
I'm Xhosa. The word is taken from his Xhosa.
Ubunsundu.
Yeah.
Sina sinsundu mfowethu.
Sinsundu vele thina.
Thina sinsundu.
We don't use the word black.
That's the very same question I asked a colleague yami ukuthi what is white? Is white a color? Is white a color?
Yeah, uzenenye khawumi ngabantu abamnyama nabenkani. Okay, bafethu, so we're actually on it ne. Unfortunately or fortunately it is the end of it ne, but I know nifana nama niphendulekanga because obviously a story there's always three sides. Side lomunye or ele subject, and then a side le victim, and then there's the truth. The truth is kwenzakale something between these two of which he doesn't want to share. I hope Kelo one day uzosharing ukuthi what actually transpired for them to fight ngalendlela abafighta ngayo. Yabona? I hope you know bangaba we're going to draw our conclusions wethu ke, because I was nikezanga actually like kahle kahle ukuthi kwenzakaleni that led to the fight, other than the experience yothando lweni or your relationship yenu ukuthi beyikanjani, that we know, but ukuthi kwenzeke ntoni basically I don't know. One will say maka decide ukuthi akabuye akazungena eroomini wayangamsendelanga imali yakhe back uyamscama vele uyidlile yabo they going to say izinto ezinjalo and all of that only to find out ukuthi there's maybe conversations that you guys had privately ongafuni ukuzidisclose ngoku yabo ezingaba isolution towards yonke lento le but then at the end of the day if ever you are not a scam people should learn from you bangaba you are not a scam bangagcinga fana with the questions that with the answers that you are giving us bangaba there's still some things ozifihlayo because you are building some image ofuna ukuthi masikubheke ngayo kule situation yabo so
MK I'll say ngaphambi kokuthi ngivale esayidini lami into engayisho ukuthi kwamina even namanje I'm confused siyalwa or break up angazi noma ngenze sense because ngikhuluma ngento ya Thursday bese sonke kumnandi yonke into emnandi so I don't know ukuthi siyalwa or break up or they are just emotions whereby ukuthi yena ulawula my emotions ukuthi manje le mali ngimnikanga yabo so hence ngisho ngithi kuwe nami angazi ukuthi uyakuyaliwa or akuliwa or ama emotions angaphakathi angazi yabo but as for me mina personally I don't think ukuthi ngeke ngaba in a state whereby ngilwa nomuntu wesimame yabo because wonke umuntu wesimame bengihlala phansi naye ngimbonise or angibonise ukuthi okay baby lento le okay sharp ayisakhona ngikwenzakala so si solve kanjani yabo it's my first time because I've never ever been on social media public I would say okay so angazi ukuthi ngiza niphendula babukeli ngithi no kwenzakala ukuthi nokuthi angazi
okay
yabo
sure
because ngikhuluma ngento ya last week Thursday bese right yonke into grand
so le weekend
xoxa kamnandi but le weekend le i weekend yabona le weekend enkulu le
sure
angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani I'm speaking to you because of nami bengikwatile mangibona le post let me ithi ngiveza this other side bengikwatile mangicela ukubona le post I contacted my legal team ungangithathi kancane ke uzujahile ucanga ukuthi hayi no ngine legal team
sure
ngine legal team I contacted my legal team ngaba explainela ngabatshela ukuthi no man umuntu wami uyangizwa ngithini mfethu angithi I was involved with this chick umuntu wami wenze ukuthi nokuthi so how do I handle this situation that was on Friday and maqeda ukuphuma le post then they call me namhlanje ekseni like tell a person ukuthi sihlangana naye Eden Park police station that's the nearest police station that you guys have mangibheka the surroundings yabo okay sharp akunankinga mina ngiready ngikhuluma ngento yamanje kuseni
okay
yazi why ngiveza yonke lento
is it Monday today
it's Monday namhlanje angithi ukhumbula ukuthi ngibasendele Friday so meaning Saturday Sunday uyazi now weekend abasebenzi bayabuya kimi on Monday ngani ngempendulo no man lalela sibonile riding but manje ukuthi manje weekend asispan nathi sinaba families wethu kumele siwa attend sinabantu bethu nathi yabo yabo so asihlangane namhlanje ngo3:30 Eden Park police station
sure
uyangizwa mfethu I've got nothing to hide because I know deep down myself ukuthi angenzanga into wrong yabo even if I'm just saying even if bekhona into wrong ekumele engabe ngiyenzile sikhuluma ngomuntu ozwana naye la MK there is no way ungathathi umama wakho wena wasendlini umneke ngaphandle umthanda
ne
uyangithola umthanda ngeke umneke ngaphandle
I feel like you are compelling me ngoku into being a side in lakho in a way.
Eh,
to understand
angifuni
the
ube esayidini lami wena you are a hoster you need to be on a natural position no ngifuna ukuyicadelela ngifuna ukuyicadelela
Okay,
yeah understand
yeah.
ngifuna ukuyicadelela so mangimtext ngithi ndodwa lalela asihlangane lapha ngo3:30 umuntu azokuphendula athi mina phela ngoba manje your legal team wants us to meet at 3:30 mina there's no way I'm going to jump because of kumele kusolve kanti yini lo ifunayo kimi so ngimoshe kangaka ama brands wami sokumanje sekumele bangifonele bangibuza ama questions ukuthi kwenzakalani some of them have withdrawn angeke ngiwabiza ngamagama some of them have withdrawn ukuthi no thina we can't work nomuntu okule position eso owenza izinto ezisinaks
yeah man
yabona so if ever when I've got nothing to hide why ungeze police station sihlangane nalabantu ekumele wena uthe wena uvula icase angithi against me why ungezi ke kimi ke lapha la uvule khona icase that's where we want you angithi that's where we want you let's go and fix that case then you'll be like I've got things to do there's no way I'm going to jump because of when you want me to jump ngendlela yakho mekubele wenze izinto angikhulumi ngento engekho ngingayifunda namanje la
yeah
angazi noma ngifunda uzongivumela ngifunde yini I don't know whether I'm making sense but ladies please gents please maningena ku relationship nazi ukuthi ninama intentions thizeni I'm not saying all of us we've got intentions manazi ukuthi ninama intentions thizeni just because of nibona usibanibani nokubanibani wenza ukuthi nokuthi ngicela ni withdraw lento leyo because of aniyanga lapha ngenhloso right
yeah intentions is wrong kakhulu
yeah aniyanga lapha ngeintentions right because now imanje seyang iyabuya lengqondweni ukuthi why angafuni siye lavule khona icase because of me I'm saying njengomuntu oboshisiwe angithi ngiboshiwe mina angithi uvula icase against me asiye lapha la uvule khona icase sihlaziya yonke lento le legally
maybe she prefers court than Eastern Cape I mean police station or Eastern Cape
but now we cannot go to court singakafiki la wena kune case number yami khona siqala la kune case number then bona basho ukuthi ano bafethi le ndaba yini niyeqede court yabona and ningizwe kahle babukeli I'm not saying lento ekimi ukuthi I'm owing ugirl right ngisasho namanje and I'm lying my life la kule podcast ka MK ugirl inyuki yakho uzoyithola ngizomnika
do you know ukuthi uzomnika nini
ngizomnika amantende this is March
yeah
so meaning April 1st uzothola inyuki yakhe iphelele and ngicela makaceda ukuthola inyuki yakhe iphelele abuye kini ayenze public announcement
and say
I've got paid imali yami angithi because into esibalekelayo la MK asifuni kube ngathi abafana vele banjalo kunamantombazana who are going the very same situation ngamachita ngathi thina bochita the very same situation I'm going out ngogel kunamanye ama abogel aba going the very same situation yona le eyam ngabojita straight uyangithola
okay yeah
so asike si mzansi lento asike siyeke asivaleni if ever umuntu awumfrustana umthandi because uthando comes with a lot of sacrifices uyangizwa mfethu
yeah
it comes with a lot of sacrifices
of which is the part I understand about uthando and yet we know uthando kuthini
and machita basobhani le impundu zizonikhawatha ama career azoshona and bo my sister basobhani lama career wethu esinawo mina mfethu angifihli basobhani lama career wethu asinawo nizohamba nikhala nithi amachita wrong kanti yini enenza ama decision wrong
yeah
so wrong motives asikhathi iyare because of when you wanna be there sikhuluma ngento ka February wena ngo March ungifaka ku social media
Yeah, hey, umjolo, guys.
Yeah.
I think that's why ngavula umjolo. This
So
year.
from my experience,
Yeah.
from the experience engibe nayo manje mina. Thina machite is talented, thina bo my sisters talented. Asilaleni kude nabantu abafuna ukuthola into abayifunayo ngathi. Yabo.
Yeah.
Ungahehwa imali yami. Ngingahehwa impundu zakho.
Okay. I want us ukuba siyivala. I think we've said enough.
Sure.
Asivala. But before siyivala, let's remind people bakahle kahle 3310 ngibani. So ngicela univalele yona ngeculture and then we good. we good. I know kuma commentators there's always a game edlala emqondweni. always. So ngicela uniguy culture and then univalele yona. I know they're going to engage, they're going to subscribe, ba follow and then ba share nokushare episode yethu so that izofikelela ebantwini aba right. Guys, remember we hope this episode izofika kubantu be Hollywood, izofika kwi
Shaka.
SuperSport, izofika kwi Shaka.
Yeah.
Easter games as well.
Labantu yena
Akabathekile specifically.
And-
Ezinye companies.
Aye, laba banye aye, they call me like a chief. We don't get involved in your personal life.
Okay.
You know?
Okay, that's bad.
Yeah, so
That's
when ungasho ukuthi uyanqamlela isporo kanti hayi kulavula khona isporo ngoba ke bheka manje unqamlela lapha kushaka kanti ngibuya kushaka this weekend. Yabo. Unqamlela lapha ku SuperSport kanti ngibuya ku SuperSport this weekend. Yabo.
Yeah,
So
okay.
indaba zakho nje kumele ube straight. So ngizoyivala kanje ke bafethu. Lo u3310 cingo logogo size 5 Cato Scamedium jabula abantu bajabule ukuze ubone lapha nobumnandi bebhola. Ingakho nje ungezwe nje ngithi kungekudala PSL siyakhokoda siyeza. Kungekudala uzosibona ke lapho ukuthi ke kungani sithanda icommunity yethu ukuze ikhuphuke iye phezulu. La besikhona bengifshayelela lapha na inja igame, inja ikarati, MK the photographer.
Photographer. Okay. Thank you, my friend.